Ciao, I'm Marianne Esposito.
And I'm Jen Chase.
And today we're making fresh
and sweet
spinach salad. The most critical thing besides the spinach is the dressing.
Absolutely.
No bottle dressing here, folks. Oh no. Today we're starting with Filippo Berio Delicato extra virgin olive oil.
Absolutely.
Good for you. So we have a couple tablespoons of fresh lemon juice here. And then I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of the Delicato. Now look at the color of that.
It is beautiful.
And this is an olive oil that's not going to overpower this salad. You want a light tasting olive oil here because we've got all these beautiful fruits that we're going to use with this.
Well, I think the best part about this dressing that you have here is that it's only 4 ingredients and it comes together so fast. People think that they always have to buy something that's store-bought, but why would you buy something store-bought when you can just make it this easily?
Absolutely. And here we have a tablespoon of honey. So we're adding a little honey to that because we have these fruits and we want to give that a little bit of a sweet taste. And
Cut this, can I just put this right here?
Yeah, and we need some salt. So, about a teaspoon, whatever you like. I always say salt a piacere, however much you want. And we just whisk up this dressing. How fast is this? Once that salad is mixed, you must serve it, right?
Absolutely.
So,
quickly.
Let's eat.